Sorry about that. So again, when you divided this, you should have gotten something like that. So again, I want how many buckets could we actually fill, right? So how many would be completely full? Not partway full, completely full. 19 barrels. Sorry, not buckets. 19 barrels. All right. Lynn is building a cylindrical planter with a base diameter of that. Okay, so we have a diameter of this. She has 5,000 cubic inches of soil to fill. What is the height? All right. What is the formula? Let's start there. Volume equals area of base times the height. Volume is pi r squared times h. So they're actually telling us that our volume is 5,000. We use 3.14 for pi, right? We don't know what r squared is. We don't know what the radius is. Oh, I'm sorry. We do know what the radius is. My bad. Let me take that out. Because why? Why did I get that wrong? Because we know what the diameter is, which means we know what the radius is. Of course, my thing's out. Oh, there we go. All right. So, what is my radius? Well, if my diameter is 15, then my radius is what? 7.5. So, times 7.5 squared. And then we don't know what the height is. We don't know what the height is. So, let's figure out what all this equals. Okay? So, I'm going to keep my 5,000. So, 3.14 times 7.5 squared is 176.625. And then that is times h. So remember how when we solve for a variable, right? The inverse of this multiplication would be what? Division. So let's divide by 176.625 here and here. That goes away, right? Leaving us with h equals 5,000 divided by that answer. Round to the nearest inch. So we have 28.3, which means to the nearest inch would be 28 inches. Okay? 28 inches. So for the last two, we're going to try to get through this one quick here. All right. The volume of apple juice can is that. So we have volume equals area of base times height. Volume equals pi r squared times the height. So we have volume equals, we know what volume is. So this is our volume, right? Which is equal to that. It's the same number. So we have 1763.8 is equal to, what is pi? 3.14. We don't know what the radius is, so that's times r squared. But we do know that the height is 29. We get that from right here. So again, let's figure out what those two things multiplied together give us.